Hey, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be preparing my car not only to drive to Phoenix and back, but also go to a drift event and carry drift spares. It's a bit of a task that I still need to get done, and it's not overly the most fun stuff, but I'm going to be utilizing some new tools and stuff today, so it should be fun. I have a car carrier that I picked up from Harbor Freight for like it was like $54.99. The only issue I currently have with it is this is the receiver for it, and this is the Hard Dog hideaway hitch receiver. This is an 1.25 inch, and this is 2 inch, and that doesn't really go together, and that's up for me to solve. I have a welder, and I have some metal, and I'm gonna use the new tools I picked up today to make that stuff happen. So yeah, let's get that going.
It's been about a week since I posted a video because I've been having some issues with sourcing parts. Actually, I've been trying to get the drift knuckles in order, but it sounds like there's a dude somewhat local to Phoenix that'll be able to pick up some from and get the train rolling. Yeah, no matter what, I'm gonna be drifting this thing come September 7th, and I have a few adventures planned between now and then as well, so make sure to subscribe and stick around.
I went to install it and I realized how good I made it is actually bad. So, gotta beat it into place. Just starting to peek through. Tell you one thing, that ain't going nowhere. All right, here's what I came up with. Like rubs a bit on the bumper, but like that's pretty good. All right, got the essentials done. The last thing I can get done for the night is installing this hardtop spoiler because it's a drift car. It needs one. That's just, I didn't make the rules. That's just how it is. I just ran to the auto parts store, picked up some vacuum line, and trying to get this mag valve installed. It's going to enable electronic boost control, which should allow me to hold 10 pounds instead of hitting 10 pounds and then dropping off to 8. This is essentially just a electronically controlled vacuum loop between the wastegate and the boost. So yeah, I'm planning on throwing it right here, right on the engine. That might be an issue, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. So I was working on that and I dropped my Allen wrench, and look at how it landed. Like, why is it just like perfectly wrenched like on the subframe? That's crazy. All right, here's what the Mac valve install looks like. Got the lines routed to the turbo wastegate and the boost feed, and then wires running down over to the old purge valve. And apparently most people delete this, and in the ECU by default this should be wired up to the boost pin. So I should just be able to go to the ECU, set that as true essentially, and be able to control the boost on it. So 10 pounds, here we come. I am so stoked to get this seat out of this car because it's manky. I don't think this would stay solid in an impact because, you know, there's supposed to be metal here and there isn't. So, love that. I almost forgot a little zip tie on my ghetto connector here. That's good as a good OEM connector now. That's not going nowhere. Basically like has a click now when you install it. And that's, yeah, I keep saying that, but we'll see. Good luck, boy. Making a game day decision. I'm about to pass the lines for the handbrake through, and I've had this cruise control module in this car since I bought it, and never once has it worked, and never once have I really gone, damn, I really actually would like cruise control right now. Because race cars don't need cruise control. Race cars need AC, not cruise control. So I want to get that out the way. That should free up a hole in the firewall that I can get this through, and then it should be some game time. Oh yeah. There we go. Got the seat out of the MB. Gonna slap it in this thing now. I feel way safer sitting in this thing. It has expired, but like, yeah, it's sturdy. It's been treating me well. I've been thrashing myself in this car, so it should keep me pretty stout in this thing. And also bucket seat in the race car. All right, Santa came with presents. The last little piece I need. I got this plate here from Drift HQ. I can't really remember who made it, but I'll put the link down in the description. Yeah, this thing was cheap. It was like 30 bucks. You're gonna have to drill your own holes, but I'm capable of that. Sitting here in my turbo Miata, now with a handbrake, feels really unreal. I can't wait to go really try this thing and get the rest of the stuff I need dialed in for the drift event. But between now and then, I have to drive to Phoenix, and that's probably gonna be in the next video. And yeah, I got a bunch of fun stuff done. Actually, it turned out to be a bunch of random little fun stuff that yeah, I'm quite pleased with the result. And this thing looks sick in here. Look at that. Ew.